How to translate websites in Safari iOS. Start by opening Safari and visiting a website in a different language. At the top left of the address bar, tap the AA icon. This opens the website view menu, where you'll find the Translate Website option. Tap Translate to English. This page will reload and Safari will show you the translated version in seconds. If it's your first time, Safari might ask you to enable translation or download a language pack. Just follow the prompts, it's quick and safe. If you want to view the original, just tap the AA icon again and choose View Original. It's that easy. Safari can translate languages like Spanish, French, German, Chinese, and more. Apple keeps expanding this list regularly with updates. And that's it.